You're probably wondering what the cell wall and membrane are, their differences and similarities, and what they do for the cell. At first thought, you might not be able to tell the differences, but they are huge. In this video, I will tell you about it in grade 8 English. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is a really important part to the cell. To start off, the cell membrane is made up of proteins and phospholipids, a type of fat molecule. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, which means it controls what moves in and out of the cell. It acts like the skin of the cell and has microscopic holes that allow permeable material into the cell. These holes are covered in protein, helping the particles to move in and out easier. The cell wall is a lot thicker than the cell membrane. Plants don't have skeletons, so it's up to the cell wall to hold them in shape. The cell wall is made out of proteins and cellulose or chitin, types of carbohydrates. Unlike the cell membrane, it doesn't control the flow of the particles that move in and out of the cell. There are holes in the cell wall that allow water to enter and leave the cell. The composition of both the cell wall and the cell membrane vary on the size and shape of the cell, but the essential functions stay the same no matter how they look or how large they are. You have just watched the cell wall and membrane in grade 8 English.